What if I could replace your side hustle and start making money while you sleep? I decided to test that idea for 7 days, using only AI tools. Everyone is talking about AI side hustles right now, but I wanted to see if the hype was real. Could AI actually generate income from scratch? The core question isn't whether AI can assist, but can AI actually replace a side hustle? I ran a simple experiment to find out. For the next 7 days, I focused on building income using only AI tools. No outsourcing, no coding, just AI. I tested 3 distinct approaches: AI freelance services, AI digital products, and AI automated content. Let's see what happened. Before starting the experiment, I established 3 strict rules and chose simple, accessible tools. Rule number 1, everything had to be built using AI tools. Rule number 2, I had to start from scratch with no existing audience. And rule number 3, the idea had to be something a beginner could realistically try. The tools I used were simple: ChatGPT for writing and ideas, Canva for graphics and templates, and Pictory for turning scripts into video. No complicated software necessary. The first test was freelance services powered by AI, focusing on common business needs like copy and product descriptions. I used ChatGPT to generate product descriptions for online stores, offering 10 descriptions delivered within 24 hours. I generated the first draft in seconds, but the real value came from editing and polishing. AI is your assistant, dramatically increasing how much work you can complete. The second test focused on digital products, leveraging AI's ability to create repeatable, scalable income. I asked ChatGPT to generate small digital product ideas, like social media caption packs, then used Canva to create clean, downloadable templates to sell on platforms like Etsy. The biggest advantage here is speed. AI dramatically reduces creation time, allowing you to quickly test multiple product ideas and scale what works. The third experiment was automated content, where AI tools work together to create a continuous stream of output. First, ChatGPT generated a short educational script. Then, Pictory turned that script into a video using stock footage, ready for upload to YouTube or TikTok. The goal is building a repeatable system. Consistency in content can generate income over time through ad revenue, affiliate links, or selling services. So, after testing these 3 ideas for 7 days, can AI actually replace your side hustle? Here is the honest answer. The honest answer is no, not completely. But it can dramatically improve one. AI does not remove the need for people. What AI removes is the slow parts of work. Tasks that once took hours, like writing drafts or generating visuals, can now take minutes. And that speed changes everything. AI is not magic, it is leverage. It makes entrepreneurs significantly faster. The faster you test ideas, the faster you improve, and the faster you find what works. If you want to explore more ways to turn AI into real income, subscribe to the channel and grab the free AI Money Starter Kit in the description. Simple systems, real income. I will see you in the next video.